would you know? You haven't been indoors.
No, but
Why didn't they cut a bit down there?
for the cows.
Although they did say it
In Bill.
would have been easier to do the top half of the by the house for your nan for the calves. We'd have cut it this way, which is what they thought we were going to do. But
Would have been better going that way. Apart from all the ruts are going to be going this way.
you want to come with me? In the tractor?
But come.
I'll just ask him to stand in the field quick while you come with me up the road.
Oh, we won't like that.
He'll like it, alright.
Stop taking pictures of this flag.
No, recording.
You're recording me.
I've recorded you recording. It's going on YouTube as well. If you hadn't said nothing, it wouldn't have been on there.
I only said my face wasn't good enough to be on the camera.
Yeah.
I love
I wasn't recording then.
Join me up there. I think that's enough for good. No one's going to get that.
Well, 1 minute, yeah, people that watch it, I do.
Craig, when you do Sergeant, do you anything like roll the pit run?
I have rolled a pet, but I don't do it often.